Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Wanted Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to remove the plugins from OBS. Now let us begin. Well, initially what you guys have to do is simply go to the program files and search for OBS. Right here you can see the OBS Studio. I'm simply gonna click on it. Well, do note that in case you had installed OBS plugins, you will see some buttons like this that say uninstall.exe. Simply click on it. Then it will ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on yes. From here, once you do, you can see the plugin name. That way, you can delete the plugin. Simply hit on yes. In case you simply copied it from the zip file, well, it might be quite hard to delete the plugins. If you installed from the zip file, I highly recommend you guys to again download it. Well, as you can see, this is a plugin for OBS. I'm just gonna open it. And it has these components. From here, these are the files I need to delete. Also from the data section, simply delete it from the program files. I'm gonna go to program files once again. And from this section, what you guys have to do is simply go to data, OBS plugins, and delete this thing right here, that's OBS background removal. Likewise, you need to go to OBS plugins, 64-bit, and delete these two things. That way, your plugin for OBS will have been successfully deleted. That is it, guys. That's how we delete your plugin for OBS. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.